do you have a fire insurance policy? Are you really covered? Do you actually know what you're protected against? Today, let's break it down. The standard fire and special perils policy. Most people think fire insurance covers everything, but does it really? Let's dive deeper and find out. A fire breaks out and your property is damaged. Covered. But that's not all. You're also covered for smoke damage, water from firefighting, even if firefighters break doors or windows to stop the fire. And if fire spreads from a neighbor's property, you're covered too. But if the fire starts due to self-heating, drying processes, or an authority-ordered burn, not covered. Lightning. A direct strike hits your building, covered! But if it just causes an electrical surge that fries your machines, not covered. Explosion and implosion. A sudden blast damages your property, covered! But if it's from a boiler or high-pressure equipment malfunction, that's on you. Aircraft damage. If an aircraft crashes into your property or something falls from the sky, you're protected. But if a supersonic jet causes a pressure wave, not covered. Riot, strike and malicious damage. Protests turn violent and your property gets damaged, covered. But if there's theft, looting or illegal occupation, no coverage. Storm, cyclone, hurricane, flood and inundation. Natural disasters, yes, covered, but here's the catch. Water must enter from a path that can't be closed. If water seeps in through cracks, open windows or a broken roof, no coverage. Impact damage. A car rams into your building or a random animal crashes in, you're covered unless the vehicle belongs to you or your employee. Landslide and subsidence. If the ground beneath you shifts, causing damage, covered. But if it happens due to bad construction or natural settlement, no payout. Burst pipes and tanks. A water tank explodes and floods your space, covered. Missile testing. If a missile test damages your property, yes, you're covered. Sprinkler leakage. Your automatic sprinklers go rogue and flood your place, covered. But if it's due to poor repairs or defects, not covered. Bushfire. Fire from nearby bushes, covered. But if a massive forest fire spreads, not covered. But here's the kicker. Terrorism damage, not covered, unless you buy a separate add-on. So are you really covered? Do you know what's in your policy? Make sure you're protected before it's too late. Understanding the specifics of your fire insurance policy can save you from unexpected financial burdens. Always read the fine print and consult with your insurance provider to clarify any doubts. Stay safe and stay informed.